Welcome back to Electro Study YouTube channel. Let's discuss the second part of Module 1, important question for the subject Environmental Studies. The habitat refers to physical condition of the place where organisms live and the chemical conditions of the place where organisms live. You can go for option C. So a food web comprises of, that is interlocking of food chains. That is the right answer. Which of the following are producers? Please read the four options. Actually, plants and bacteria are generally called as producers. Which of the following is an ecosystem? Forest, desert, mountain, all of the above. Environment means, which is the right answer? Please read four options. Among these options, surroundings. It includes biotic and abiotic components in which organisms live. Moving further, which of the following is not meaning of ecosystem? Please read out four convenient options. Which is the best answer? Actually, a small unit that can be self-sufficient. That is the wrong statement. Which of the which of them is not an example of terrestrial ecosystem? Actually, the water. Water is an example of water is not an example of terrestrial ecosystem. Remaining are like a forest, the rest, desert, grassland are belong to terrestrial ecosystem. The factor responsible for stable ecosystems are balance between all the above. You can see like vegetarian, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, etc. Important physical factors responsible for a good habitat of an organization. It includes light, temperature, humidity. That means I would like to go for option D. Which of the following is not a prominent chemical responsible for a good habitat? Actually, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is not a prominent chemical responsible for good habitat other than like O2, CO2, nutrients, etc. Here, sulfur dioxide is the right answer. So I request you to read the question very carefully and find out your convenient answer. Okay, among the option, you need to find out the best one. Dash is termed as limestone of the earth. Oh, of course, it's biosphere. An ecosystem is a region which, please read the question options properly. An ecosystem is a region which living organisms interact with the environment. The term ecosystem was first proposed by, it is very important question. The term ecosystem was first proposed by A.G. Translate. The major two components of an ecosystem are biotic component as well as abiotic component. Now, actually, options are not required. Straight away, you can remember. Biotic components includes all living organisms. Okay, so I request you to go through these options once again and kindly make a note of this. Food chain is divided into three. There are three categories. The transfer of energy and nutrients from one feeding group of organism to another in series is called food chain. In which of the following place can find out the whole desert? Actually, Himalaya. That is the right answer. What kind of climate we can find in Thar Desert? It's a dry climate, of course. The Thar Desert is located at Rajasthan. Where can we find babul tree? Babul trees are available in semi-arid ecosystem. Please make a note of this particular point. Why Rank of Kutch attracts aquatic birds in monsoon season? Please read four options. Among these options, you will come to know that desert land is converted into salt marshes. That is what Ran of Kutch attracts the aquatic birds in the monsoon season. So the main reason is the desert land will be converted into salt marshes. What makes the desert region to become highly unproductive? Salinity, sunlight, temperature, increase the rain. Salinity is the right answer. How can desert ecosystem can be conserved? By minimizing the human activity, by pouring the water to desert area, by deforestation, and by killing organisms. I would like to go for by minimizing the human activity. Question number 54. Which of the following tribe protected trees from the several generations in Rajasthan? Bishoni, one of the tribe name called Bishoni. They are used to protect, they started different activities to protect the trees from several generations. Where we can see Indira Gandhi's canal. Indira Gandhi's canal is located at the state Rajasthan. Which of the kind of soil can found in the surface of that desert? Aeolian. Okay. Which of the biggest desert in the world, including both hot and cold desert? Antarctica. How many parts are there in the forest ecosystem? There are two main parts. On which factor of the forest type is mainly dependent? Actually, a biotic factor forest type is mainly dependent. Where can we find out the coniferous forest in India? Of course, it is locating at the Himalayan side. So I request you to go through these questions once again, because all questions I found it is most important for your exam point of view. I request you to have a look on this before entering to the examination. So let me scroll down once again. Any confusion if you have, kindly put up in the comment box. We are happy to answer back. I request you. These are the answers I have bolded here very clearly. So before entering to the examination, read once and enter, so that you will be getting the concept very clear. Okay, so once again, you go through the particular options. Even I have discussed the video, one part of video of module one in the previous session. That also kindly watch and confirm that you can make sure that you will be getting very good score in the examination. If you are watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe. Also, kindly like this particular video and share with the concern. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.